Okay, here's our layout for the kitchen. Microwave. The hood is centered on the duct. Your Lazy Susan corner. Sink centered on the window. Pantry. This point right here is the electrical in the island. That red line represents 48 inches. This one represents 48. So maybe we'll keep this space at 42. We can see about sliding the island over a little bit to try to keep this space and this space equal. So looking at the range wall, again, centered, 66 1/4, the duct coming out of the ceiling centered off the corner. 16 inches from the top of the cabinets to the ceiling. We're going to put crowns, so you'll lose another 3 inches. So you'll be down to 13 or so. Our microwave. This line represents 122 inches. So if we have that, this is going to be a shelf. That's right. So that plug can stay there. Just put a shelf on this for the microwave to sit. The inside of this would be finished or stained. Tray divider, spice pull out, your drawer stack here, and the Lazy Susan cabinet. And these are representative of the widths of each cabinet. That numbers the width of this drawer stack. Rolling over to the window wall, our floating shelves that are 12 inches and 6 inches off the opening of the window. So you're going to put some trim up there, so you'll have about 3 inches from here to the trim. Your fridge leg and your pantry, which is a little wider than what we were thinking, which is good. And this cabinet is 9 inches off the window. But here's the layout for this wall. Looking at the face of the island, trash can, drawer stacks here, and in the back of the island is paneling too. Laundry cabinets, the bottom's 56 inches off the floor, 16 inches deep. Bathroom, linen cabinet. The top of the crown will be at 96. This is a foot off the floor. This is representative of the electrical outlet. I don't know if you're just putting a bar up there, but it's not perfectly on center with these base cabinets. So let me know if this is good. Again, you can map this out and see the sizes given here. Drawer stack, the sink. These are 21 deep. This will be 24 deep. And again, 12 inches off the floor, and then the top of the countertop would be at 31 inches. And I reworked or drew up the fireplace. See what you think of this. Can make it a little simpler. So if this is the open space for the fireplace, your mantle, and then this taller cabinet here, open space for the TV. This guy's 36, the mantle 1.75 inches, and this base cabinet is 10 deep. This would overhang 1.5 inches on the sides and the face, and then this upper section is 6 inches, and you can see the price for this in the estimate. But this would be stained all the same color. Simplified this a little bit. So anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you.